The mystery surrounding the death of Sadiq Badshah, close aide of former Telecom Minister A. Raja, seems to be only increasing now, with the doctor who conducted Badshah's post-mortem suddenly deciding to step down and join politics. Dr. Dekal of the Roypeta Government Hospital, however, has denied that the resignation has anything to do with Badshah's death. The Tamil Nadu state government too has rejected Dr. Dekal's resignation. Dekal on his part claims he stepped down to contest the upcoming state elections as an independent candidate.
Sir, my resignation, it is not at all related to this case, sir, because any case we do, till the death we are responsible of that case. The case may come to trial after 3 years or 5 years. So he may go in, doctor may go in VRS or retirement in that stage also, he is responsible. I will finish the case. That is not at all related to this case, sir. I applied resignation because I wanted to contest in elections, sir.
Oh, okay.
Actually, but because of the heavy tight work, I couldn't go and approach some good party and get good seats. So I am now contesting in independent only. The reason I applied the resignation and it was given on 3-3. Long. This is nowhere related to this case. The Sadiq Badshah case, I did the case, I am responsible. I will only go to court, I only go to court inquiry. Everything I will only do it, sir. Wherever I am till my death, I am responsible. Sir, postmortem report actually, anyhow it will be, so actually we are, this week I am, today and tomorrow I am on leave, sir. We have got university duty also, examination correction duty, that also from today it has started. So from Wednesday or like that I may go there. In the meantime, they may relieve me also, I have to go and file. So next week we will get ready certificate, sir.
While reports suggest that the resignation of Dekal has been rejected, the Tamil Nadu government says they have rather not come to a decision on the matter.
So to begin with, the very timing of Dr. Dekal's resignation has raised many questions. First of all, but we would like to know, as he submitted as his resignation, if he did, when did he do it?
He has sent his resignation on 5th March 2011. And usually people belonging to subjects like forensic medicine, community medicine, physiology, anatomy, these are called scarce subjects, non-clinical subjects. And doctors working in government sector belonging to these particular areas, they always want to go out of government clutches to join in private medical colleges where the salary structure is very high, workload is very less, and there is a big demand for such people, especially for forensic science. There is a big scarcity throughout the country. The normal course, such people, when they apply for resignations or when they ask for voluntary retirement, we don't allow them. And people make use of such opportunities during election time. In the guise of contesting elections, they send their resignations.
All right. So in this case of Dr. Dekal, did you reject his resignation?
We are processing it. We have not yet rejected. We have not yet accepted.
All right, sir. So now the one question which is being raised is, it is a
Now, fresh questions are also being raised over the circumstances in which the suicide note was found and the contents of Badshah's note. The questions that are being raised, for one, is that so far we've only heard from the Chennai police that the suicide note exists, but its whereabouts are not known. Secondly, isn't it unusual that the note mentions Raja and his wife in the first line itself and pretty much giving them a clean chit?